how to secure your Discord account. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you secure your Discord account. Securing your Discord account involves a combination of robust authentication method and a safe online practices as well. So the step number one, or the ways to actually protect your Discord account, is by creating strong and then using a unique password. So basically, when you are done creating your account, you could choose a password that is not something predictable. Make sure it's unique, it has a unique characters, and make sure it is strong. This is one way of securing your account. Next is enabling two-factor authentication, or adding up two layer of safety. So in order to add up the two-factor authentication, click open the profile and then click the gear icon at the top, and then here comes the account section, right? You could just scroll down and then come to this security key, or you could also go to enable authenticator, and then it's going to ask you to download an authenticator app. That means a third-party source. So click on the next button and just follow the on-screen prompt, and that should be able to help you out. Other thing you could also do is, there comes a security key, right? You could also go ahead and add on, and this is also another way of securing your Discord account. So these are some of the ways to secure your Discord account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.